Hey y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing something a little bit different and for me, exciting. We are going to be trying out a straightening brush for the first time. So I picked this up from HairTuber.com. I'll leave all their information below in my description box. And I'm excited to use this, guys, because I haven't straightened my hair in a really long time. And I'm very interested in seeing how long my actual hair is. So we are going to test this out today. Just to explain what's going on with my hair. I like to do that before every video. So I did shampoo, condition, deep condition with the Aussie Miracle Moist line. I also added my mild organics pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner, and I used a little bit of aloe vera oil to seal, and then I did the banding method to stretch my hair. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it above in the card so you guys can go ahead and watch it. The only thing that I'll be using in my hair today is this icy heat protecting spray. So I picked this up from my local beauty supply store this morning. This is my first time trying this spray. I have never used a heat protecting spray before. So hopefully this works really well because I'm not trying to have anything happen to my curls. I love my hair, so I don't want anything to happen to my curls. So hopefully this works really well. So let's just get into the video. So let's unbox it. So, okay. So it just comes with the brush, nothing else. And this is how it looks, pretty simple. And it has HairTuber on the back. So I have it on 410 degrees, but right now it's heating up. So you can see the numbers going up. Perfect, so it's at 410. It's not hot to the surface, so that's a good thing. So I don't have to worry about getting burned. And so let's start off with this section first. All right, guys, so this is my blown out section. So I'm gonna get a little bit of the heat protecting spray. And they said to just spray it lightly so I don't have to do too much. Okay, just a light little spritz, spritz. Okay, spritz, 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 okay. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and brush that through. Okay. So then I'm gonna take small sections. I will say the good thing about using a straightening brush is that I don't have to use the chase method. So I don't have to, you know, with a flat iron, you know, you got to get your comb and get your flat iron ready. But with this, I don't need any of that. So that's pretty awesome. So let me just get a little decent little section. All right, I think that's good. I think that's good. Yeah, that looks real good. Just get my little comb. Comb that through. All right. Whew. All right, let's see. Definitely needs more than one pass. What y'all think? Ooh, girl got a little bit of length. But what y'all think though? I put it up to 430, so hopefully I could just do kind of like one pass and that be it. Cause I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? This thing smoking too. It's definitely stretching out my hair, but it's just not, this ain't giving me no type of flat iron. Still very puffy. It's not as shiny as it would be if I would have used the flat iron. It's pretty dull, but it's nice to see my hair in a stretched state, so I don't mind that part. And it's, you know, my hands could glide through my hair easily, so that's cool too. All right, let me finish it up. Let me continue. And I did increase it to 430 degrees, and I feel like it didn't really make a difference from when it was at 410. I feel like I still have to use multiple passes to get it like straight, I guess. And I will say I was scared of getting too close to my roots, but since it's not hot on the surface, there's nothing for me to be afraid of. So this is how that quarter section is looking at the back. This is the length. Pretty good length so far. I did just cut my hair in February, so that's pretty good. My hair is growing really, really well, so that's pretty good. So let me go ahead and do this little part right here. Guys, so I am back, and these are the final results of me using the straightening brush on my hair. I feel like it was a little bit flatter, but as the minutes go by, like, my hair is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. But yeah, these are the results. It's definitely not giving me silk press vibes. It's giving me more so I just got a really good blowout in preparation for a silk press, but definitely not silk press vibes. I do like it because I do like seeing my hair in a stretched state, because it's always in its curly form, which I love as well, but it's just nice to have a little bit of a change. And this is how it's looking. It's very nice, very thick, it's very fluffy, which I do like. I can run my fingers through it, and yeah, y'all, I am loving it. I think this is definitely something to use to prep for another style. But if you're a type 4 girl like me, you're trying to get your hair bone straight, I'll just say go ahead and just use the flat iron, because this isn't going to give you the look that you want. I did use it on 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Hair actually burns at 451 degrees Fahrenheit, so me using 450 degrees on my hair is a no. I'm not gonna do that. And 430 degrees was the highest temperature that I can go before hitting that 450 degree temperature. So I was like, you know what, let me just stick to 430, and this is the results that 430 gave me. So yeah, y'all, that is all for today. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know if you guys have ever tried a straightening brush and if you guys would consider it. Let me know what you guys think of my results. Are these the results that you were expecting? I actually expected it to come out a little bit straighter, but you know, I won't complain. And also, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and I'm also on Instagram at sashie.tv. Bye guys.